Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to share with you. We developed a Python program that can fix grammatical mistakes in a text. Whether you are a student or professional writer or just someone who wants to improve their writing skills, this program can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. So let's dive right in and see how it works. Before we begin, let me quickly explain how this program works. We'll be using the Spacie library in Python, specifically the Encore Web SM model, to analyze the text and identify the grammatical errors. Then we'll apply some simple rules to correct those errors. First, we need to import the Spacie library by typing import Spacie. Next, we'll load English language model by using NLP variable. We'll ask the user to input their text. We can do this by using the input function and storing it in a variable called text. So the code will look like this. We will repeat over each token in analyze text using list comprehension. For each token, we will check if it's part of a speech is not a verb. If it's not a verb, we will keep the original text. However, if it's a verb, we will replace it with it. Base for. We will store all the corrected tokens in a list. Finally, we will join the corrected tokens using the join function and store it in a variable called correct. The code for this step will look like this. Hold on a second, don't wait any longer. Subscribe now and start your coding journey with us. To display the corrected text to the user, we will use the print function. We will print a message along with the corrected text. And there you have it, our Python program for fixing grammatical mistakes is now complete. By following the simple steps, you can easily enhance the quality of your writing. Feel free to experiment with different texts and see how the program performs. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting programming content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.